Now children, today let's start with chapter number 14, communication. So in this chapter we will study about communication. What is communication? When we share our ideas, beliefs and thoughts with different people, right? So it is called communication. So what are the different modes of communication? So the means of communication become very important when you are not near the person. देखो हम या तो with the mobile phone या through message हम क्या करते हैं, अपने message share करते हैं. So communication is an essential need. The scope of communication has expanded in the modern time. So we can say in the past, sending message take lot of time for the people to walk or write. You hear that marathon races are held over the world. They held in communication for fabled run of great soldier, that is 42 kilometers. And he gave message to the victory in the battle of the king. So it was believed that pigeons were used for sending message in the past. Now we have at our disposal several means. So the means of communication can be divided into two types: private communication and mass communication. Right? Private जो आप दो लोगों के बीच में होती है वो private communication होती है with our friends or family member. Later we used to convey to our message to large number of people. Now we have telegraph, which is a device for transmitting and receive message over long distance. It was invented by Samuel Morse. He invented it to send message anywhere in the world. Few hours में आप क्या कर सकते हो, कहीं भी किसी भी जगह मैसेज शेयर कर सकते हो. Then we have teleprinter, जिससे आप faster मैसेज शेयर कर सकते हो. It can send message within minutes. The letter of the alphabet are printed by the teleprinter and then sent. Then we have telephone. So it is telecommunication device that permits two or more user to conduct or a conversation. Alexander Bell, he invented telephone in 1876. Welcome people, so that it is a most effective method of communication. They have been made communication very much easier for us. Then we have fax, which can send or receive pictures and text over telephone. इसको हम facsimile कहते हैं. First fax line कब invent हुआ था? 1842 में. Email, electronic mail protocol for receiving and sending, storing electronic message. Right? We can send letters within few seconds and we can send text. आप टेक्स्ट भी भेज सकते हो, इमेज भी भेज सकते हो, कुछ भी फाइल आप शेयर कर सकते हो. देन वी हैव मास कम्युनिकेशन, व्हेन वी हैव टू शेयर आवर आइडियाज, थॉट्स और वी हैव टू टॉक टू लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल. जैसे आप न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू कर सकते हो, लाउड स्पीकर के थ्रू, राइट, टेलीविजन के थ्रू आप क्या कर सकते हो, मास पीपल को क्या कर सकते हो, इन्फॉर्म कर सकते हो. लाइक इंटरनेट, मोस्ट पॉपुलर मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. इंग्लिश फिजिसिस्ट थे सर टिम बर्नर्स-ली. ही रिगार्डेड as having internet as a world wide web in 1989. You can do online shopping, e-banking, advertisement purpose. It also used to download various things at reasonable price. Newspaper and magazine. So ये cheapest mode of communication है, आपको latest news देता है, right? Newspaper and magazines are published in many languages और आप क्या करते हो, news को masses में spread करते हो. Radio, it is a means of mass communication that gives out sound. Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio in 1886. It is good source of education, news and entertainment. Right? Then we have advertisement. In present day world, advertisement are used to give information about the products. भाई आप अपने प्रोडक्ट का अगर एडवर्टीजमेंट करना है तो आप न्यूज़पेपर में इसको निकालते हो, मैगजीन्स में, रेडियो में, टेलीविजन में. एंड दिस हेल्प्स अस टू बिकम अवेयर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, कि आप अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बाय करें. राइट? गवर्नमेंट मैसेजेस आर आल्सो स्प्रेड. देखा ना, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, वो भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू क्या कर रहे हैं, हम अवेयर कर रहे हैं. टेलीविजन, इन्वेंशन ऑफ टेलीविजन चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल अ लॉट. टेलीविजन वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय जॉन लॉगी बेयर्ड इन 1926. इट शो वीडियो एज वेल एज साउंड. ठीक है, इस एक ही बहुत अच्छा एंटरटेनमेंट जिसको आप सुन भी सकते हो और देख भी सकते हो. Hope you understood about the communication. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.